So, you're finally doing it. You're about to pour thousands of dollars into that dream bathroom renovation, envisioning your own perfect, personal spa. But what if a few simple mistakes in the planning stage could turn that dream into a financial nightmare? That gorgeous, super trendy bathroom you've been saving on Pinterest could be hiding some dirty little secrets that will cost you a fortune down the road. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 6 most common bathroom design blunders that will come back to bite you, and exactly how to sidestep them. 1. Ignoring ventilation and water management. Alright, let's start with the big one, the mistake that can literally rot your house from the inside out, completely ignoring air and water. Your bathroom is ground zero for moisture. Without a good ventilation plan, you're not just dealing with a foggy mirror after a shower. You're rolling out the welcome mat for mold, mildew, peeling paint, and even serious structural damage. The long-term costs are just staggering. Mold removal can cost thousands, and that's not even touching on the health risks. The fix here isn't optional. You absolutely have to install a properly sized exhaust fan. For most bathrooms under 100 square feet, you'll want a fan with a rating of at least 1 CFM per square foot. Anything less than that is just blowing hot air, literally. Just as crucial is getting professional waterproofing in the shower and other wet areas. This is not the place to get thrifty. One tiny leak behind a wall can cause catastrophic damage you won't even see until your floor feels spongy. 2. Inadequate and impractical storage. Mistake number 2 is designing a bathroom for a photo shoot instead of for your actual life, which almost always means not planning for storage. Sure, a sleek pedestal sink looks incredibly chic and minimalist in a magazine. But in reality, where does your toothbrush live? Your extra toilet paper? Your half-empty bottle of contact solution? That oversight leads directly to cluttered counters, which makes the whole bathroom feel messy and stressful. When potential buyers see that clutter, they don't see a lived-in space, they see a design flaw. The solution is to think about storage from day one. Go vertical. Mix it up with deep drawers in your vanity for hiding clutter, recessed medicine cabinets for daily items, and maybe some open shelving for towels or decor. And make sure your vanity is proportional to the room. Too small and it looks lost, too big and you'll feel like you're in a closet. Good storage isn't just about hiding your stuff. It's about making your morning routine feel smooth and effortless. 3. Choosing trendy over timeless materials. Coming in at number 3 is falling for the wrong materials. It's so easy to get seduced by that bold, geometric tile you saw on Instagram or that exotic wood vanity. But in a room that's constantly dealing with water and foot traffic, those trendy choices can backfire, big time. Materials that aren't built for moisture, like some laminates or unsealed woods, will warp, stain, and become a breeding ground for mold. And while polished marble or giant, glossy tiles look incredible, they become a terrifying slip and slide the moment they get wet. Plus, hyper-trendy designs date your bathroom faster than you can say. Shiplap. That color of the year is going to scream 2025 in just a few years, which can really hurt your home's value. The smart move is to stick with timeless, durable materials. For floors, you can't go wrong with porcelain, ceramic, or luxury vinyl tile. And for the love of all that is safe, please don't use large, slick tiles on your shower floor. Smaller tiles mean more grout lines, which means more grip. Save the trends for things you can easily swap out, like towels, shower curtains, and wall art. 4. A poor and impractical layout. Mistake number 4 is a layout that just doesn't work. This is what happens when you focus on the cool individual pieces without thinking about how you'll actually move around them. That massive vanity might have amazing storage, but if it makes the room feel tight, it's a fail. A toilet that's practically kissing the door is just plain awkward for everyone. And that stunning freestanding tub you squeezed into a tiny corner? It's a magnet for dust and grime you literally can't reach. A bad layout makes a bathroom frustrating to use, every single day. The answer is to think about flow and clearance before you buy anything. Get out some tape and map it out on the floor. Building codes typically demand at least 21 inches of clear space in front of a toilet. A good rule of thumb is to also leave about 18 inches of breathing room around a freestanding tub so you can actually clean behind it. A thoughtful layout is the invisible glue that holds a great bathroom together. 5. Forgetting about future needs. The fifth mistake is designing your bathroom only for who you are today. It's so easy to forget that our needs change over time. That deep, high-walled bathtub might feel luxurious now, but it can become a real barrier for aging parents who visit, or even for yourself in the future. Ignoring these aging in place features doesn't just create a potential safety hazard, it shrinks your pool of potential home buyers. Because more and more people are looking for a house they can live in for the long haul. The fix is to think universally from the start, and it doesn't have to look clinical. A curbless walk-in shower, for example, is a high-end, spa-like feature that also happens to be incredibly safe and accessible. While the walls are open, ask your contractor to install blocking for future grab bars. It costs next to nothing now and will save you a fortune later. Even choosing a comfort height toilet is a simple upgrade that makes a world of difference. Planning for the future ensures your bathroom works for everyone, for years to come. 6. Removing the only bathtub. And the final mistake, one that makes real estate agents everywhere cringe, is ripping out the only bathtub in your home. I get it, huge walk-in showers are amazing. But a massive number of buyers, especially any family with young kids, consider a bathtub an absolute deal breaker. Getting rid of your only tub can seriously limit your home's appeal and even lower its resale value. The solution here is pretty straightforward. If you have only one full bathroom, keep a tub in it. You can absolutely have the best of both worlds with some of the beautiful, modern shower tub combos out there. Now, if you have other bathrooms with tubs, then go ahead and put that dream shower in your master suite. Just don't leave the whole house tubless. It's a simple choice that can have a huge impact when it's time to sell. Look, avoiding these 6 mistakes really just boils down to one thing: balancing timeless function with your own personal style. Your bathroom should absolutely be a beautiful escape, but it also has to be a workhorse for you, your family, and maybe even a future buyer. If this advice was helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more home design tips that actually save you money. Now I've got a question for you. What's the biggest bathroom design regret you've ever had or seen? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.